Alrighty guys, coming to you from the mighty Midwest, and the Mint Builder coin of the month is the Australian Kangaroo 2017 .9999 fine silver 1 ounce, course graded in a mint state 70. And as an added bonus, I decided to purchase the African leopard. I actually got a couple of these. These are pretty cool. And these come with 5 mint points apiece, I believe. And this is from the country of Ghana. So the country of Ghana, I'm assuming these are, we're not sure on the mintage of these because it just said, minted until sold out. So hopefully the mintage will be low. I checked some of their other coins they had minted in the past, and the mintages were pretty low, so that's what I'm banking on. Maybe in 15 years we can get some appreciation out of these. So I'm going to sock these away, and definitely happy with my 2017 P Australia $1 Kangaroo first releases. And the one from Ghana, this leopard over here, is also an early release. And so I'm on the $1.99 auto ship. It's a little bit better value. You get 2 mint state 70 silver eagles graded by PCGS right here. Oh, that's another leopard right there. So let me pull out the graded eagle. See that? Oh, it's upside down, but beautiful coin, graded by PCGS. And you get 2 of those with your World Saver Auto coin. So if this is something you might be interested in, click the link below and sign up and start paying yourself first with silver from Mint Builder. Everybody have a great holiday weekend.